This is St. Francis College of Bullion versus Cosca. This is a high school. Score is 4-7-5. But a long rally, point for Bullion is 5-1. This is the tallest player, I guess, in this tournament. Inside, 5 serving 6. Middle attack, there's a push, point for 6-1. Opposite attack, error, 7 serving 6. Good save, binigay sa lefty. Free ball. That was outside. Open and did not get in. It's 9 serving 6. Ball. Because open. Ball check. Yes. Covered. And Dinerecho, but that was outside. 7 serving 9. That's a block. But there was also a block. Open. There's a push. There's a middle. And there's a power dink. But it was blocked. Sa elevator. And there's a ball check. Sumuli. Free ball. Subalo. Ayun. Buti nila nakuha. Good timing. And a push. 10. Back to attack the number 2. Iniga sa middle. And it was back the number 1. Dinerecho. And it was good. Free ball for Cosca. Push. Nakuha. Free ball for Cosca again. Binigas open. And that was a four. 7 serving 7. Free ball for Bullion. That's St. Francis College. Open, but that was outside. 5-point lead. Score 7-7. So, yung hataw dito ng sira ng Bullion, hindi naman kinukol ng attention ng referees. Yun, lumusot. It's 8 serving 12. Again, this is Northeast High School level, high school division for volleyball girls. Too long, it was outside. 9 serving 12. Cosca still serving. Tingnan natin ito. Free ball for Cosca. Bigay sa gitna. Free ball. It's open. Miscommunication sa depensa. Number 1 serving, 39. Bigas open. Cross long, outside. SBO. Ito. Hinulog. Ayan. Nagkagulo sa kabila. Ayan. An ace serve for St. Francis College of Gihulman. 16-9. An ace serve by player number 2. Oh, it's player number 1. BTO. But that was outside according to the line judge. Then serving 17. Koska serving. Survive. Yun, pero it's 18. Serving 10. Medyo malayo. Ito. So push. And tumulak din. Salamato. Nakuha. Open. Good timing. Subalit outside. So it's 11-18. Si Bagalodero. 3 ball for Koska. Ika sa middle. Inulog sa gitna at hindi nakuha. Stall serving 18. Ganda ng serve. Pero ang ganda rin ng receive. Ganda ng timing. Ito nakuha ang receive. 3 ball. Tingnan natin anong gagawin ng subalit ito. Wow. Push. Binigay sa gitna. Oh, baling umahit. 19. Serving 12. This is St. Francis or St. Francis College of Gihulman. Medyo malayo-layo ito. Gihulman City. Tingnan natin. Bigyan sa idol. Good save. Tingnan natin. Free ball. Pasok. Tingnan natin ang libero. Sa lefty. Free ball again. Laging free ball. Wow, ang galing magkahulog. Sobrang taas, oh. Nice good. Si Barroso. Nalusita ng dalawang blocker. 14, serving 20. Oh, nauna. Ayan, ang ganda ng lefty. Ayan, hindi pumasok ng bola. Ayan, an ace. May 2 puntos na lang for the set. 23, serving 14. Ganda ng serve. Nag-ace talaga. Point for SFC, St. Francis College. At yun, may isang lumusot. Second chance at point para sa SFC. Binigay sa lefty. And that's the end of set number 1. 25-15. Start of set number 2. Once again, this is a total match for the Nortisa Girls Division between Koska and St. Francis College of Gihulman. So Gihulman City is quite far from here. Push. Ito na. Diretsuan. Open. Ball check. FC got the first point for the second set. So pag nanalo dito ang SFC, sila yung magna-number 1. 1-all. Subuhan pa yung service error. It's 2 serving 1. Isiba de Libero, binigay sa gitna. Salamato, that was strong for Salamato. We are now score of 2-all. Salamat again. Salamato was back. Yung support. Number 3, Baruso. One of the tallest, I guess. Kasi may isa rin sa foundation na medyo mataas. Pero siguro mas mataas ito. Si Baruso. Net violation. Serving 2. Push by Salamat. Binigay sa open. Pinulak ng kabila. Good save. So free ball. Eto na. Nagkakalituhan. Hindi pumasok. Ito si Salamato. Family of volleyball players. Sa pinakamatanda nilang kapatid na babae. Hanggang sa pinakabunso, I guess, pang-apat na babae. Sa gitna, lumipad, double check, outside pala, 6-2. Check. Serving 3. So, sa ace pa. Sa substitution, 8 serving 3. So, pag another ace, pag nanalo dito ang SFC, number 1 sila sa kanilang laro. Free ball para sa SFC. Hanggang sa middle, hinulog, nakuha. Lefty, outside, sabi ng line shots. Ito, bagong pasok. Ayun na. SFC serving, ganda ng serve. An ace for SFC. 11 serving 4. Set number 2 of a total 3 match for Lord Pizza. And another ace for the left. Because called for their first time out. Pumasok na ulit si Salamat. And another service ace. Medyo malayo na ang lamang. 10 na ang lamang is 14 serving 4. After this game will be Silliman versus MDC. Parang match for bronze na. Oh. Natin back row attack. Ang taas ng sipa ko. 15 serving 4. At another ace off. Serve ng lefty, so balik outside. 5 serving 16. Piniretso, so balik ng line violation. Open, pasok. Well defended. Ito. Hindi guys open ulit. Hinulog. And hindi na recover. 17-6. 11-point advantage ng St. Francis. Ito pa nag-outside pa. Ang ganda ng serve. Nag-over-receive. Yun na. Si Baruso na sa harapan. Ito, P-ball. Tingnan natin. Ibigay sa open. Dumiretso. 1 to play. So, balik kayo. Barroso, ang taas. 19, serving 6. Okay. Sa gitna. Ball check. Into the line judge. It's 7, serving 20. Ito yun. Guwapa. Good save. 3 ball. Tingnan natin. And that's open. Good. Ang ganda ng reflexes sa kabila, oh. Ganda ng reflexes sa kabila. Open again. It's Sulamata. Good inside. It's 8, serving 20. So, subalit. So, diniretso want to play. Open again. Outside. Makakahabol pa ba? 9:20. 3 ball. Nalulog. Set by the libero. Push by SFC. Tingnan natin. Diniretso want to play. And magandang pagka-pulsing. 21. Serving 9. Wrong rotation siguro. There was a wrong rotation. 4 points sa post count. Ito na serve. Ito balik na outside. 22-10. Oh, ganda ng dig. Oh, nakuha pa. Natin again, ibinigay sa Iparaw. Ganda ng support. Nasa push with Salamato. Egal. Free ball. Masuk. Inside, according to the line jump. 23, serving 10. Shot, nag-over-receive. Diretso. Subalit, outside. Match point for SFC. And still match with SFC winning all the games.